How to stop procrastinating and get more done in less time. Create your financial freedom with your own online business. If you want to stop procrastinating and get more done in less time, you will need to be more clear about what you want and what you have to do to achieve it. Once you have done this, easier it is for you to overcome procrastination. A major reason for procrastination and lack of motivation is vagueness, confusion, and a fuzzy mindset about what you are supposed to do and in what order, and for what reason. Strive for greater clarity in everything you do. One of the great rules of success is to think on paper. Write all of your ideas down. If you are serious and want to stop procrastinating, there are 7 simple steps that, if followed, will triple your productivity. Step number 1, decide exactly what you want. One of the worst uses of time is to do something very well that need not be done at all. Step number 2, write it down, think on paper, crystallize your goals, and put energy behind it. Create something that you can touch and see. Step number 3, set a deadline for your goal. A goal or a decision without a deadline has no urgency. Step number 4, make a list of everything you can think of that you are going to have to do in order to achieve your goal. Keep adding to the list until it is complete. A list gives you a visual picture of the larger task or objective. It will increase the likelihood that you will achieve your goals as you have defined it and on schedule. Step number 5, organize the list into a plan. It will be easier to achieve your goal when you break it down into individual tasks. Write a written goal and an organized plan of action. You will be far more productive and efficient. Step number 6, take action on your plan immediately. Do something. Do anything. For you to achieve any kind of success, execution is everything. Step number 7, do something every day. Resolve to do something every day that moves you towards your major goal. Never miss a day. Keep pushing forward. Once you start moving, keep moving. Don't stop. Goals are the fuel in the furnace of achievement. Think about your goals and review them daily. Take action on the most important task you can accomplish and achieve your most important goal at the moment. Start your online business today. Click in the description 7 of Figure Launch System.